Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up TradingView on your iPhone. First, head over to the App Store and download the free TradingView application. Once installed, open it up and either log in with your existing credentials or quickly create a new account. After successfully logging in, you will want to tap on the Charts tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen, to access the main trading interface. This is your starting point for all market analysis. Now that you are on the chart, let's customize it. Tap anywhere on the chart to bring up the settings menu. Here, you can easily change your time frame from 1 minute to 1 month to suit your analysis. You can also switch between various chart types, like popular Japanese candlesticks or a simple line chart. Don't forget to personalize the colors and background to make your TradingView comfortable and clear for your eyes. Enhance your analysis by adding powerful indicators. Tap the plus icon, often located near the top of the chart, to browse and add a wide range of technical indicators, such as the relative strength index or moving averages. To stay informed, set up price alerts by tapping the bell icon. You can specify conditions, like a price crossing a certain level, and choose how you want to be notified, ensuring you never miss a crucial market move. To optimize your workflow, save your preferred chart layouts. This allows you to quickly switch between different analysis setups without reconfiguring everything each time. Also, create and organize multiple watch lists to monitor various assets, like stocks, crypto, or forks, separately. TradingView conveniently synchronizes all your settings and watch lists across all your devices, ensuring a seamless experience whether you are on your iPhone or desktop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.